it's me, Rena Warner. No makeup at all, bare skin, yeah. All right, so why am I here? So my mom actually got some samples of these glowing green toner pads. He received some samples, came with like 4 or 5 of these samples, and she was like, how do I use these? How do I use these? So I was like, oh yeah, I'll do a video, and I figured I would show everybody too. So these glowing green toner pads, you use these 1 to 2, maybe 3 times a week. I would suggest 1 to 2 times a week. You don't really need to, you don't want to overdo it. So what these are is toner pads. It exfoliates your skin, and also if you're having troubles with textures, it also helps as well. What you'll do is you'll wash your face. I usually wash my face, my favorite Dream Clean Cleanser. After that, don't put anything on your face. Don't put like moisturizer or anything. Just go ahead and open this up. And it looks like this. It looks like this. It's like a little pad, and there's like a little finger holder thing where you could place your fingers in. I like to put 2 of these fingers in, and then I'll just go in and start going in. This is great because it exfoliates your skin. It has witch hazel and lactic acid. Yeah, cleanses and exfoliates. So all the textures that you have, it helps with that. And also, like, if you're struggling, if you sometimes I have troubles with like pimples on my chest, like I get dots on my chest. This will help too. So what I'll do is I'll do my face first. It does not dry out your skin too much, but it will help with toning your face, uneven skin tones. And I'll do my neck, and like it looks like that. And then I'll flip it like on the back, and then I'll go in to my chest. Oh yeah, it helps with your chest pimples. If you got one of those, your back pimples, I don't know if you got those, but just in case, yeah, all around, just all around, it helps. It's okay. All right, this is the toner pad. Ooh. And then afterwards you can toss it. This comes in 15 individually wrapped, so it's great if you're traveling. You can just take some of these, put it in your suitcase, or put it in your toiletries stuff. Yeah. After you're done, I waited a little bit to kind of like settle my skin, and then I will put on my moisturizer. Then I'll go in with my green tea moisturizer. This is anti-aging, so it helps with those wrinkles. It helps with uneven skin tones and the textures. And I'll just go in and put it in. It just feels so good. It makes my skin feel super good. I'm not putting on any makeup today, so. And this is all it for today. Anyway, so this is what I like to do. And this is how you use the toner pads. Super simple and easy. You just use it 1 to 2 times a week. But this is great. We sell these as a set or individual bam. Anyways, I just wanted to show you that. These are awesome. I love this combination. If you have any questions, please let me know. Have a great day.